Dumelang setjhaba sa Morena. Boys, dumela the Platinum City, the Platinum World.
Hux on fire right now. There's a lot of vibe. We are here as always.
Nice and clean.
Nice and clean.
Hela that moshare o ipatelang o nagana gore ba retse go hae ke ye pyramid.
Launching the magazine, launching the TV show.
Purpose for us is to deliver a dignified funeral. This was a political movement. We're here to liberate you. Be liberated.
But grocery plan is a way of standing with you, and not just in the graveyard, but in the kitchen as well. In the kitchen. In the just for 65
rand. Don't worry. Don't worry. We'll give you 4-5 kgs.
Yes.
Come on.
Your claim will be quick. We will be professional, and definitely you will receive reliable support from us. And there's no higher grade or upper grade. Or downgrade.
Yeah.
Safada,
we forgot to tell Baretgo High we just bought 4 new.
4 new Ford Everest, my brother. And I live for luxury. The way we always say, each and everything that you touch go pyramid, it's luxury.
Brand new
and
by Pyramid Funerals.
Yes, it's pyramid. You know, guys, it's more than a funeral parlor. We want to partner with families. We want to partner with your loved ones. We want to be a part of that family WhatsApp group.
Ukuhlala kuwe pyramid kumnandi kunekuthi ngijoyine izimoshari zezingwe.
My blood is green.
Tekani cash leya nitisa kwala pyramid. Itatira kwala pyramid. Loko mefika kwa pyramid menla upgrade.
Yes.
Mitabona Jesu Kriste.
Road to 30,000. The road to 30,000.
So whether we've chosen the 150 plan for 7 people or the 300 plan for 14 people, we are not just a number. Look no further, but we're a consortium. But we can accommodate you, everywhere.
Rustenburg, Letabo, Mafikeng, Giyani, Carltonville, Soweto, Mafikeng, Boksburg, the list goes on. Moruleng. www.pyramidgroupfunerals.co.za. Welcome to Pyramid Town.
Yeah.
Ha. Eh? Shatabeleria. SMS Pyramid to 41237.
Baretgo High kubo bonke.
Yes.
Kuzo zonke izimoshari. Solo ngiyaphinda ngiyasho ngithi kuzo zonke izimoshari ezikhona yinye kuphela egqoka green and white.
My brother's pyramid. It's pyramid, my brother. The name always says it.
Karata hora pyramid here ka leboga like service everything was excellent like you
can even WhatsApp us, guys, on our number 076 511 3141.
Dumelang setjhaba sa Morena. Dumela the Platinum Voice, dumela the Platinum City, the Platinum World.
Hux.
Hey, there's so much to celebrate today.
Hey, there's a lot. There's a lot.
There's so much to celebrate. Dumelang bagaetso. If you live in and around Rustenburg, hey, wa itse gore yey.
It's on fire right now. There's a lot of vibe.
Holy Fifi go Cape Town.
There's a lot of vibe. A lot is happening right now. Mswenko. Mswenko boys.
Mswenko boys, they've done it. Unfortunately, hey, the flights to go Cape Town they cancelled because Platinum Mikeni Monty.
Hey, my brother, I know Rustenburg is on fire right now.
Rustenburg is on fire.
Rustenburg is on fire. Things are electric. People are excited. And guys, well done. Well done to the Mswenko boys. They've done us proud.
Dumelang bagaetso. Lena like a perfect hlungwane. Pera on stage as the perfect MC. La itse bekele beke back to back ke tsamaya ke le one. Ke tsamaya le
Treasure Dlamini.
Machayele gore the Platinum Voice.
The Platinum Voice of fathers.
3.4 FM.
You know it. It can only be Moredo Mafisa.
My brother.
Yes.
How are you, sir?
My brother, I'm all good, and how are you?
I'm good, man. What's happening?
Hey, my brother, Pyramid thing. We are here as always, serving as always. We're doing nice things as always.
Yeah.
The Glove Boys.
Yes.
What they are.
Why is bashimane ba bang
Hey,
ba tshwana le bashimane ba le male bashimane ba le ba style bashimane ba go pyramid
Bafana, guys.
nice and clean
Nice and clean. Ba shapile, ke bona.
yeah but one not nyana
One not.
re sa kora se baya bona
They done us proud, guys.
Yeah.
Well done,
No,
Orbit.
well done.
Yeah.
No, this is nice.
Now this is proper stuff, guys.
How's your week so far, man? How's
Oh,
your
my
week
week,
so far?
my week has been great. It's been jam packed. A lot has been happening. You know very well. Just last night we were launching our magazine, Successful Man. Yeah,
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
yeah, a successful man, my brother.
There's a lot to celebrate this
There's
week,
a
man.
lot. Launching the magazine, launching the TV show. Yeah. Shout out to Keho Khadise and the
shout
CEO,
out to
Gentle
Bafanas.
Mashopane, guys. Yeah.
Man.
They're killing it. Last night was electric. We had
Yeah,
fun.
man. Shout out to Trey.
Yeah, my guy. Yeah.
Hey, man.
Oh,
Trey
when
made
it's
it Trey made it possible for Bafanas to be on TV.
Exactly.
Hey, man.
Huh?
High definition.
High definition, my
Aye.
brother. Yeah.
I wanna delete the company pyramid. You can never go wrong.
You can never go wrong.
You can
Dilo tsa
never.
manete. As we
You
always
can
say,
never.
dilo tsa manete. We don't play.
Shout out to Dlamini Events, man.
Shout out, my brother. Such an amazing set.
Nice, man. Properly done.
Nah, properly done, my guy. Properly done. No, we're happy, we're proud. That Gentle Mashopane, we're
Yes,
very
yes,
proud.
yes,
And we
yes,
believe
yes.
successful men, definitely, as the word saying, it will be successful.
Yes.
Exactly.
I wonder who's gonna interview who between the two of them one day.
And a good luck, there's going to be a lot of fire interviews there. Some serious prominent people. Nice stuff.
Yes,
Yeah?
yes,
But
yes. No, which is good.
Anyway, we're here for Pyramid.
Yes. As well. Shout out to Ntate Buang Moloto.
Yes,
Yeah, man,
such an inspiration,
man.
eh?
Such an inspiration.
Such an
man.
inspiration. Like, no, like, wait, I was there listening to this guy. I'm like,
I learned a lot as well.
I'm like, yes, see, this guy is on fire. I'm like, literally, each and every word he utters out of his mouth, it's profound. I'm like, yo, I.
You know what I took out, and I'm like, this I'm gonna use tomorrow. Go right to go high. He said he left his job that paid him 213, if I'm not mistaken, 213 or 11,000
Yeah.
per month.
Per month.
Right? So to go and settle for nothing because
nothing.
he had a purpose in life
And he had a vision.
and a vision.
Exactly.
So now I'm saying go bare go high. Tlogela that moshare o ipatela go nagana gore ba re go high ke ye pyramid. You will never go wrong.
And we have a vision.
The purpose for us is to deliver a dignified
Yes.
funeral
Yes.
for you.
No
And
compromise.
No compromise.
Yeah.
We just do it once and it's like kaboom.
And proper gape.
Proper.
Eh?
Proper.
With care and respect, the same way we will do for each and every single individual.
Yeah.
Yes.
So tlogela gore ye nna ke na le 20 years tlogela 20 years. Yeah,
You can't be suffering for 20 years. Imagine suffering for 20 years, guys.
We're here to liberate you.
We're
If
pyramid
this was
thing.
a political movement, we're here to liberate you. Be liberated.
Exactly.
Our purpose is to give you a dignified funeral service.
And funny thing with us, unlike we don't give false promises. Unlike
Never.
we don't.
There's no such thing with
we
us.
don't. There's no
That
false
thing will
promises
never
here.
happen. It will
Insano.
never.
Hey.
Aye.
Hey, my
None.
brother, no
None.
man. We're very
brother.
happy. Yes.
What's happening?
No. Today we're going to talk a lot. Right? Like, as
Yes.
always, we're going to talk about
Yes,
our
yes,
policy.
yes.
We're going to tell you about what is our policy. We also have a given policy. And we hardly ever talk about it, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
we
yes,
hardly ever talk
definitely,
about it. So we're going to
definitely.
dive into it. I can
Yes.
sometimes are, oh man, can I have a policy somewhere? So, you know, sometimes no, I have a policy somewhere and whatnot like that. And then now, well, okay, no, even if you have a policy elsewhere, we can give you even just a grocery policy. Right? So just a lot we're going to be talking about. Obviously, we're going to dive into our aftercare as always. You know, we always talk about our aftercare stuff. We're also going to have some testimonials from our clients. We're going to tell you how to join as always. And just walk the journey with us. Right,
Definitely,
Exactly.
my brother. Yeah, so You know, one of the most common questions that we get to go Pyramid Crew funerals, what exactly do your funeral policies cover? What are my options?
Exactly.
So, Baratiko, we're here to give you anything and everything that you need to know about Pyramid Crew funerals. So let's break it down for you. We offer you a full package, designed to provide dignity, peace of mind, and value for money. That's why I get Osa Safara 20 years relating. Whether you're looking for an affordable protection for yourself or full family coverage, we've got you.
Exactly.
We've got you covered.
Always, my
We're
brother.
patting you at the back and we're saying, we're here for you.
And guys, we're so affordable, guys. We're
Yeah.
so affordable. I can even just say that myself. Like,
Yeah.
we're super affordable. So we have two plans, right?
Yes.
We have the 150 plan, we have the 300 rand plan. So, okay, Marano, okay, 150, and how does it work? So you can cover 7 family members.
Yes.
That includes yourself in there. So it includes a full funeral service, a collection and care of the deceased. We will give you also a casket, the use of our hearse and equipment. We'll give you 2 family cars. It's a whole lot, my brother. It's a whole lot. And you also have the option to even add groceries for an additional 65 rand.
Yeah.
So I get the option to add groceries. So basically it means for each and every single person, more that policy will have a grocery. Just for 65 rand.
65 rand. 65 rand.
We utlwile ka eo.
Hi. Baretsi ke re Lisa Safara relating.
We utlwile ka eo.
Baretsi go hae ba sa Safara relating. Why? They've
Next.
been suffering for so long.
We're
here now.
We are here.
We're in the space.
My brother, we changing the game.
Yeah.
We changing the game.
Invading the platinum seat.
Pack it inside.
Phakathi inside. By Msweko style.
Msweko.
Bafana the boys.
Kajeko, we celebrating these boys. We celebrating these boys.
Yes.
And remember now, you have the 150, you have the 300. The 300 is very, very similar. The only difference now, you can have 14 people on that policy.
Yeah.
Same great benefits. You will still have a proper funeral coverage. The same casket as well. We will also make sure that you there's the hearse, there's 2 family cars.
Definitely.
So all the benefits that you have on the
Standard
150.
procedure.
Standard procedure with the 300 rand policy.
Yes.
And also you have an option to add the grocery. You can add the grocery thing, just add an additional 130.
Yes.
Literally for every single person. Literally 130. And it's like 13 rand a month. Imagine 13 rand.
But it's go high. No, you've suffered enough.
We are
You've
here,
suffered for
guys.
so long.
We are here.
We're here now.
So both policies are designed. Obviously, the main purpose, guys, the main purpose to ease financial burden,
Yes.
to ease the emotional burden on the family, and definitely we can promise you your claim will be quick, we will be professional, and definitely you will receive reliable support from us.
So whether you are covered under 150 or 300 plan, we treat you
The same respect,
same respect.
the same doesn't change. The same.
We don't compromise on this thing.
And there's no higher grade or upper grade. Or
Because we want to
downgrade.
Yeah. because-
Safana,
No,
book.
Safana.
Exactly.
Because we want to give you compassion.
Yes.
We want to
Exactly.
show you compassion, to say we're compassionate in your time of grief. We're with you. My brother. We forgot to tell Baretsi High or we just bought 4 new.
4 new Ford Everest, my brother. 4 new Ford Everest.
What?
My brother. Hey.
Mara, how did we forget such an information? That is very key, man.
That was very
Like,
critical.
it's very critical.
Eh?
Yo, Baretsi High. Hey, regular. Say 4,
Hey, brand new, my brother.
Not one.
Not one.
Not two.
Not two.
Not 3.
Not 3.
But 4.
4, my brother.
Because we believe things comes in
Brand
packs.
new, clean, fresh, just to make sure or we ease that burden. And
Hey.
really for luxury. The
Luxury.
way we always say, for each and everything that you touch go pyramid, it's luxury. It's premium.
Mona.
And it's affordable. Convoy, it's Amazon. It's Amazon. Your Ford Everest. Yeah? Yeah.
Aye.
Bo minimo ke ba feta go morago kwa. Yeah.
Aye. Mr. Dlamini.
My brother.
No. Begere just let's touch gore ba raitse go gae. D4 Usamakala.
Brand new
fully owned
and
by Pyramid Group Funerals.
yes, and many more are still coming.
Yeah, and many more are still
Many
coming.
more are still coming. And remember, Ghana, this is all for our road to 30,000.
Road to 30,000.
Road to 30. And as we stand right now, we're sitting at 20,100, my brother. So we are almost there. We are coming.
We're coming.
We are coming. That road to 30,000 by December. It's happening.
No.
I'm telling you.
I believe in you, my man. I believe in you.
Hey.
So let's talk about given grocery plan, man.
Yes. Remember now, you have the option. Now, okay, do I take a funeral policy?
Yes.
Do I take a funeral policy with the grocery scheme on it as a benefit? Or I just want the grocery?
Yes.
We can do it. So we have a given grocery plan, and it's designed to ease the burden on families during their time of mourning. We know that after loss, families will still have to eat. Guys, like
Guys.
The burial is not everything. Yes, yeah, but children are still there, and they still need to be fed, and life must still continue. So even though it's still definitely painful, but we still need to find a way to continue. So our grocery plan is a way of standing with you, and not just in the graveyard, but in the kitchen as well.
I see what you did there.
In the kitchen as well.
I see what you did there.
So we have two.
Yeah.
We have two. We have 160. Yes. We have 160 and another 80 rand. Very, very affordable. Kana 80 rand is literally 8 rand a month. For guys.
Very cheap.
I calculate. Okay, maybe not 8 rand a month. Maraboma 2 rand, 3 rand like if you say 3 rand times 30, that's like 90. So about 3 rand, 10 rand I save. So definitely that number can work. So you have the 161. It covers for 14 people. It will give you. Guys, like this is everything. All your essentials are there, guys, to sustain a family. So sukiri, eating.
And by rata
exactly, and why it's like malome auntie they're still there. So let's make sure guys. Let's make sure papa mili we have it. Mabele in there, rice in there, cooking oil, coffee. All in there, and then you still have the extras like your candles. Like we are Black African people. We still need candles.
True.
You have your tea bags in there, and then for protein, like shabo guys, we must have shabo nyana more. Besides khomo ele setting ele, the whole week.
Chicken.
Hey, maranong at least if you don't want your beef, ele ya khomele thabileng, then you have chicken in there, your 5 kgs. You have your fresh milk, potatoes, tomatoes, onions, cabbage. The list is long. And this package not only nourishment and dignity. Especially during that heavy moments and those heavy weeks, at least we know that somehow.
Yes.
Recovered.
Yeah. So it's real relief, real groceries made for families who need it the most.
Exactly. Man.
But it's go high. Hey, kibuile gore gale li sokola.
We are here.
We're here now.
And then remember now earlier 160.
Yes.
It covers you for 14 again. And then now you have this one 80 as well. That covers you for 7 people.
Definitely.
Literally the same. Doesn't really change. You still get the same things. Your sugar, your mealie meal, your rice, your mabele, cooking oil, coffee, candles, tea, chicken, potatoes, fresh milk, tomatoes, onions, cabbage. Exactly the same. That you will receive Moya 160. The only difference by the number of people. So sometimes we talk like 80 or 160.
Yes.
Why are 80? It's one. Yes, the only difference that we have cut it in half, basically looking at also the number of people is half as well.
Yes.
So it's real relief, guys. It's proper stuff.
So both plans come with the 6 months waiting period.
Yes, 6
and
months.
Within 100, it is very important to note 100 kilometer of our key branch areas, including Rustenburg, Mafikeng, Giyani, Boksburg, Carletonville, and Soweto.
Yes, guys. This is not just a policy, guys. This is like real help. The tangible help. Because Pyramid, guys, it's more than a funeral parlor. We want to partner with families. We want to partner with your loved ones. We want to be a part of that family WhatsApp group.
Kanti why basara 80? Why basara 80?
Killing game it's notification.
Because so that you can have an input.
No, don't do it like that. Do it like this.
Don't worry.
Yeah, mabela ting.
Don't worry. We'll give you 4-5 kgs.
Yes.
Come on.
Notification. No, Pyramid got it.
Yeah,
uncle
everything.
Well, now we are the first ones to come.
Yeah.
And we'll also be the last one. Exactly. Because aftercare. So the whole process, you must trust or no Pyramid thing.
That is why we were saying we want to walk the journey with you. Because from the first call, we're there with you. Up until the last day.
Yes.
Everyone is left. But we're still there with you.
Guys, it's undeniable. It's undeniable what Pyramid has. It's undeniable what we have to offer here. This is amazing stuff. Serious stuff.
Ukuhlala kuwe Pyramid kumnandi kunekuthi ngijoyine izimoshari zezinye abo many more. Hey, yeah.
I'll rather stay with Pyramid. I'm good, thanks.
We're good.
My blood is green.
Hey, go Pyramid.
Yes.
Literally, 500 you can get a lot.
I'm fine, guys. Get happy.
Imagine, you've got 150, ne?
Yeah.
Then you take the grocery plan.
Yeah. 250. Yeah. What's up?
Imagine.
What's up?
Man.
Yeah. So now you have your burial policy. Well, when you have your burial policy, and then you get one of those banks. Well, you have your maybe the other policies. That gives out cash. Dude, what else do you want? What else? Sorted.
Tekani cash leya ni tisa kwala Pyramid. Itatira kwala Pyramid. Loku mefika kwa Pyramid menla upgrade.
Yes.
Metabona Jesu Kriste.
So now, my brother.
Yes, my brother.
How do we join?
Let's talk to people that have not joined.
How do we join the road to 30,000? The road to 30,000.
If you're listening right now and you're thinking, you know what? I'm not covered. I need a funeral parlor. I need a mortuary. Well, look no further. But we're a consortium. But we can accommodate you.
Exactly.
Yeah. Once you subscribe to us, once you join, you've joined the consortium. You are not
a moshari.
Man, like it's very easy.
It's very easy.
Like 4 easy steps.
Simple.
4 easy steps. 4 easy. I don't know. 4 easy. It's 4 easy this thing.
It's easy, guys. It's easy. It's simple. It's pain-free. It's a seamless process.
Yes.
We won't ask you for blood tests. We won't ask you for birth certificates. We won't ask you for ID documents. None of those. Those, like, the process is simple and it's very easy. One, you can go to any of our branches. We have, I've even lost count.
Endless.
I've even lost count.
Rustenburg,
Letabo, Mafikeng, Giyani, Carletonville, Soweto, Mafikeng, Boksburg. The list goes on. Moruleng. The list. Patima, Lider.
Imagine.
Huh?
Mabiskral.
Guys, the list goes on and on and on.
Bread.
Letlabile. Maboloka.
Oh. Monna.
So literally you can go to any of our branches, the ones you just mentioned now.
Yes.
Our friendly staff is ready to assist you with ease and confidence on the spot.
Yeah.
Talk to any of our agents.
I mean,
green mode with Pyramid, you'll see this one is a highly trained, trusted agent. They can even visit your home, can visit your workplace. They'll explain the policy in your language, any language that you want, help you choose the right policy for you and sign you up.
Yeah.
You can go online, guys. Remember now we are digital, guys. We are digital. We're
We're in
not
the
like
digital
about many
space
more. Like, no,
Yeah.
we're not there.
No.
Our website, WhatsApp, it's very easy, guys. So in the digital space nowadays, you can visit our website or www.pyramidgroupfinance.co.za or simply just send us a WhatsApp. It's fast, it's safe, and it's convenient. And then
The one that excites me the most.
the beautiful one, the easy one, the one the gautlana o driver o tswa bitikong so o go bona billboard e tona a gona any other many more.
Yeah.
On a such a big
No, they can never.
billboard. Like how you born okay,
never.
no, get any more
These
pyramid.
other ones, they
yeah.
hide there by the bushes and stuff.
They hide there by the bushes.
Gotta get the
quali.
traffic office. I know.
And in a way, bona. What's an evil? Welcome to Pyramid Town.
Yeah. Ha.
Eh? Pyramid Town. And like, why don't we just rename us to Pyramid?
I think
we should
remember
motivate for that,
the billboard being there by virtue the taxi rank is called pyramid
Taxi
funeral
rank.
taxi
Yeah,
rank.
that's our
Yeah.
taxi.
No.
Yeah, like,
Ah,
like, it just makes
no,
sense.
it makes sense.
Like
It makes sense.
it's
Imagine now eno laela motho no if fuluga da o bona go billboard ya pyramid ga ibona ene tuna go taxi rank ya ke mo yona.
Ke mo yona. So go re pile that's the landmark, and by virtue of it being a landmark, the area.
No, we've just rewrote
pyramid.
it.
We just rewrote. We
rewrote
just did a town planning, my brother.
Town planning. No. We just did a town planning.
Town planning, Clark.
brother.
Pyramid. Pyramid Town.
Pyramid taxi rank.
Taxi rank. For I get a KFC by it's airport. So no for billboard pyramid taxi. It makes sense, guys.
Makes sense.
Let's just do it.
Yeah,
It just makes sense. So SMS pyramid to 41237. Simple. RSMS. SMS. Pyramid. Pyramid.
Man in phone mo charging SMS.
I chance take the phone out.
How?
Yeah, go the SMS.
How?
And then you just type pyramid. Yeah, the number or 41237.
Balanta step by step,
Yeah,
my brother.
41237. Press send.
Literally, that's like the
Yeah.
fastest way to join.
You're gonna get a call
Yeah,
from a very confident,
yeah,
quality assured,
yeah.
customer service orientated agent.
Trained and well trusted.
And he will take you through the entire process. I hope about how you can join this magnificent consortium.
I mean,
Our trained and trusted call center agent. They're not even an agent. Customer service oriented. Yes, yes, my brother. They will call you right now and they'll assist you through the phone, my brother.
Yes, my brother.
It's very easy, guys. It's very easy. Hey.
So what happens after you've signed up now? After SMS, what's happening? I don't know. What's happening?
Yes. My brother, immediately over to SMS, you will receive a call. You will receive a call from us, Waban. We will call you and tell you about our great policy, our great benefits. And then obviously now, once we have convinced you, do we even convince this? No. Once you have decided, like, you know what, I want to be a part of this family, we will then take all the details down. Remember, all calls are recorded for quality and assurance purposes. If I can say so myself. Yes. So, yes, definitely they'll take down all the details. They'll sign you up. The entire process, once it's done, you will then receive a confirmation SMS whereby you your policy number, and then now we will also send you your policy certificate so that you are 100% sure that the people that you have said more policy in your house. You will also obviously now we will add you to our communication list whereby the updates, payment reminders sometimes. I want to read if maybe you forgot to pay. Hey, just Don't forget.
Salibala.
Salibala.
Nyani chalede.
Hey, exactly. And then from your first successful premium, your cover is activated. Simple as that.
So whether you've chosen the 150 plan for 7 people or the 300 plan for 14 people, you are not just a number. You are part of a caring, responsive, and family that works with you, because we walk the journey with you.
Exactly.
Before, during, and after loss. Why you in the beginning,
Yes.
we're with you.
We are with you.
Even after,
Yes.
we're with you.
And during,
we
are still with you. But this is Pyramid.
Oh.
This is Pyramid. We're not here to boast or anything like that. We're here to give real facts. Like the forest, the king, Everest.
It's a fact.
It's a fact.
Fact.
Brand new.
Oh, brand new. Boom.
Brand new. Boom. Just like that.
Just like that. And it's like, it was like.
Again, we want to make sure. We want to make sure, guys. The main thing here is to provide dignity.
Yes, definitely.
Provide dignity.
Definitely.
It's not about boasting. Yes, I know. Our cars are nice. I wanna, feel luxurious. Mary, we want to provide dignity, and we want to make sure wherever you're coming from, regardless of your background, regardless of where you live, you can receive dignity at the time that you need it most.
So don't wait until it's too late. Get covered today and gain peace of mind for tomorrow.
My brother's Pyramid. It's Pyramid, my brother. The name always says it.
Kubo bonke.
Yes.
Kuzo zonke izimoshari. Solo ngiyaphinda ngiyasho ngithi kuzo zonke izimoshari ezikhona. Yinye kuphela egqoka green and white. Pyramid Group Funerals, abafana bama clubs are white. Club boys.
The Club Boys, my brother.
They will never disappoint you.
They will never, my brother.
They will never disappoint you.
They will never, my brother.
My brother.
At Pyramid Group Funerals, my brother, we believe in our work.
Yes.
We believe in our work. We believe in what we do. And it doesn't end the burial. In fact, true care actually begins kanako eo.
Yes.
That's where now o tlo bona ka nnete gore ke mang o go ratang ke mo sa go rateng wa bona anong o bona nong letsogo la pyramid le tsana yana o bona gore ka nnete ba this is a family. This is a family. And as we always, every week, we're talking about aftercare.
Yes.
And when we come there with the flowers and we come there bearing our condolences, our counselor from FAMSA, shout out to FAMSA, shout out to FAMSA, to help our families find healing, and not just healing, but also closure. So we visited a couple of families this past week, and we ba batla go bua le bona ba express gore to the public that Pyramid is real. Pyramid cares. Let's listen to what they have to say.
Nka rata gore Pyramid ke re ke a leboga, like service, everything was excellent, like ke a leboga, ke tsholofelo from Paardekraal.
Nka ra Pyramid ke re intiretse bontle ka mokgo ne ke sa nagana ka teng go diragala ke kgotsofetse ke kgotsofetse Pyramid intiretse bontle thata leina la ka ke Christina Matlakala Maribi ke leboga thata
o ka rata ra Pyramid ra reng mama
ba Pyramid ke le Aida Diamile ke leboga thata service ya lona ga ke tla ke tlo lebegella ka leso la ngwana la tsama le rona ya lo re plana service go fitlhella re fetsa le tlhaga le advisor because dilo tse di ne ke tsama ke di lebala mo tseleng mara le tlhaga le nkgopotsa le advisor go fitlhella tsatsi la bofelo re tlo ba ngwana, and then you were so sweet lena le patience ga le re fello ke pelo cause la understand the situation re feta mo yone, and then service ya lona gape ko mabitleng e ne e le ntle, everything is tsamaile the way le re asharang ka teng le re treater with care go ntle ke a leboga tswellang letseng fela yalo le ka ba bang ya ka galeditse ka nna and then le aftercare e botlhokwa. Nako nngwe o kry re le setšhaba sa batho ba bantsho re sa itse gore re fitlhela yang dilo tse di tshwane bo di-counseling bo di-aftercare, male re letse dilo bonolo gore re kgone gore tswelela re fola mo situationeng and then re tswelele pele ka bophelo. Ke a leboga.
O ka rata ra pyramid e ra reng?
Ke rata gore ke a leboga for the service. It was great and efficient and the staff was supportive. Ke nna Nono Komane mo Letabong.
Yeah, Baretse go gae, and just
my
like
brother.
that.
Oh,
You know?
yeah, powerful stuff. And it's exactly, guys, we provide protection, dignity, and we provide you with a partner. And we are there for you every step of the way. And don't forget, guys, we are on the road to 30,000 active policies by December 2025. 2025, not any time, and exactly 2025.
2025.
So, and we're happy and we would love to partner with you. You know exactly how to get a hold of us. www.pyramidgroupfunerals.co.za. Call us, SMS us on our SMS line 41237. You can even WhatsApp us, guys, on our number 076 511 3141. Visit any of our branches or our Facebook page, Pyramid Group Funerals. My brother,
Yes, sir.
my name is Treasure Dlamini.
And my name is Perfect Hlungwane, better known on stage as the Perfect MC. Baretse go gae, I Neboroko.